True. Not really.
Need to show the body of the screw, please. And also check with the supplier, because supplier maybe, the most supplier that I know, they have a service water line, but
Yeah.
maybe the vendor who's supplying the screw press.
It is coming with all screw. Whoever the vendor.
What's the name of the vendor?
Name of the vendor.
What is the name of the vendor? But we are not approving that vendor from China.
Sorry?
Vendor.
Yeah, all from China. Yes, if the government does not approve it, all China. No, this is Chinese technology, and the one you have Operability also from China.
No, vendor name.
Okay, so Ahmed, no problem. I think you have the service water line, but we need to show here so that there is no concern for maintenance point of view, and that is okay. We don't have major things here. Okay, guys. For node number 4, if you have any concern or any point to discuss, I'm open.
Here indicating just point. The arrows. So can you go back to the video? Down, up, left. So this is coming from P16, right? Yeah, just
Right.
16.
Okay. I mean, PRD correction.
Yeah.
That's okay. So that will be the
I
general
have,
one.
yeah. And then also have another question.